Okay, making a fire in this wood stove is pretty simple, but it does require a couple of things to understand. Zoe, of course, doesn't have to be involved. One is that this is what is when the handle is completely closed, all the way over one side. This has a system by which to close it. That's important just because you always, when you leave the house, want to make sure that it's fully closed so the fire is contained within. It does have a couple of venting systems down here. You don't have to touch those. You can just leave them as is. But in order to get a fire started, the first thing is sometimes before you start it, there is a downdraft here. You can tell because there will be cold air coming down, and you need to get it started. So you need to crack a door in the house so that it gives it a chance to draw. Crumple up some newspaper and light it. So it will begin the drawing process. And this is just to make sure that the smoke starts going up. And then I always use one of these to get the thing started as well. You can put that in, you can light it with, prior to setting it in there. If you like, just to make sure that it's getting going, or you can let the paper light it if you crinkle it up. But once it gets going like this, you simply set that down inside here, and that will begin the process. Now, there isn't a drawing problem right now, so I don't need to worry about it. But if there was, I would have to go over and crack the door, and that should make sure. And just to get the thing started up, if the further that you close the door, the more suction it creates and heats up the fire faster. So it's a system by which you can actually get the fire roaring better. And then it's just a matter of stacking the wood inside around that fire starter, assuming that we can get it going. Sometimes if you can't, then you just have to kind of relight it. But ultimately, I just always stack the wood in there such that it has some creates a furnace. And then when you shut it, to get it started, you don't shut it all the way. You shut it so that it's cracked open, and that causes a lot more suction, a lot more drawing, heats the fire up. And then when it gets going, if you want to really heat up the room, you can open it up and just let the fire go throughout the room, or you can shut it completely and just keep the fire contained. This will heat up and get very hot, obviously, and warm the room too. It kind of just depends on how you want to do it. I would just make sure that when you do leave, that you close it. There can be a fire in here when you leave. That's not a problem. It's just it should be closed, just in case a spark decides to jump out. So there's really no other things to know.